Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to talk with you about the best deals going on at H-E-B this week. So the weekly ad started on Wednesday, November 18th and runs through November 26th. I'm going to talk with you about three different things. One, the deals that I did at H-E-B this week. So for all of these items that you see here, I paid just over $8 for all of it, and I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that here in just a minute. The second thing I'm going to talk with you about are some other deals that are happening at H-E-B that I didn't myself purchase, but you might be interested in. And the last thing that I'm going to talk with you about are the clearance items that I found this week. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video where I will show you pictures of clearance items that I saw in the store. If you like the content of this video and enjoy seeing these breakdowns, I would like to ask that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. All right, so let's get into the deals. Always remember that I have included a Google Doc, so if you want a printable breakdown of these deals, see that in the video description below. On a couple of places I've said reference the video for more information because I'm going to give you some information on how the deal went or little pieces of information that you might want to know that's not included in that document. All right, so first up, there is a deal this week for getting a $10 H-E-B gift card when you purchase a $50 gift card to Starbucks, Panera Bread, Domino's, or Whataburger. So I was thinking this would be a great deal for presents. So if you have gift cards that you like to give at the holidays, this might be a fantastic way to grab some gift cards, either giving the $50 gift cards out to friends and family or creating some type of $10 gift for other people that you want to give a little gift to. Another thing, the free turkey when you buy a ham, that deal is still going on. Some fruit and veggie deals that I want to mention that I didn't purchase this week. The green beans are 98 cents a pound. The green onions are 3 for $1. And there was another deal this week that I didn't grab, but looks like it would be a really great deal. It's when you buy 2 of the canned pumpkins, you get the carnation milk for free. So if you're going to be doing some holiday baking, that might be something that you want to pick up as well. All right, so let me tell you about the deals that I did do and how you can grab the same deals. All right, so first up is the Nestle Pure Life Fruity Water. So I've grabbed these a couple of times in the past because of the coupon deals, and I think this deal is the best so far. These guys are priced at $3.38. The H-E-B app has 2 different coupons right now. There is a buy one, get one free, and there is a $1 off one. If you clip both of those to your H-E-B app, they will both come off at checkout. So you buy 2 for $3.38, the buy one, get one free comes off, the $1 comes off, you pay $2.38 for both of these. And then if you have the Ibotta offer for $1.50 back, you will get $3 back, making 2 of these a 62-cent moneymaker. So that's an awesome, awesome deal. I got asked recently this week, what do we do with the items that we don't use? One, we give them to friends and family members that we think might be able to use them or want them, but we also do donations to different local nonprofits. So these items will be going to the local food bank. All right, next up, a couple of different ways you can do this Frosted Flakes deal. There is a shopkick offer right now for 300 kicks when you buy any Frosted Flakes product. So if you want the moneymaker, you can buy these small cups. They're $1, and Shopkick will give you 300 kicks back, making it a 20-cent moneymaker. If you have not used Shopkick yet, you want to grab that app. It is an awesome, awesome app. I have my referral link in the video description as well as on the printable document. It is the newest app, I want to say, that I grabbed this year, and I have just loved the Shopkick app. The other deal, and I think this is actually probably a little bit better, is on the large size cereal. So this is the 19.2 ounce Frosted Flakes. They are priced at $3.50. H-E-B has a $1 digital coupon, making them $2.50. You'll get that 300 kicks back on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $1.20. And then you'd also get 45 cents back on Ibotta, making this large box just 85 cents. So especially if your family likes Frosted Flakes, I think that's probably the better deal. If this is not a product that you would use, consider grabbing it and donating it to your local food bank. Let me tell you about some of the fruits and veggies. So the asparagus, this was on sale for 99 cents a pound. So I grabbed some asparagus. I want to say this bundle came out to just over $1, like $1.01. The small avocados are 2 for $1. So I grabbed a couple of those. This was a pretty awesome deal. When you buy a 3-pound bag of apples, and we've eaten a few, that's why it looks so small. When you buy a 3-pound bag of apples, you're gonna get this 2-pound bag of sweet potatoes for free. So you'll pay $3.48 for both of these products, and that makes it $1.74 each, or just 69 cents per pound. So that's a great price for the apples and the sweet potatoes, and is perfect again for holiday baking if that's something that you use to bake for the holidays. This yogurt here, the Fage yogurt, it's $1.16 regular price. Ibotta is giving back 65 cents, making it just 51 cents for the yogurt. This is a different app that I used, the Checkout 51 app. So this barbecue sauce, the Kraft barbecue sauce, is priced at $1.18, and Checkout 51 is giving back 50 cents on any Kraft barbecue sauce, and you can do it 5 times. So I paid 68 cents for this bottle of barbecue sauce. The Challenge butter, we just happen to need butter. So this is priced at $3.47, and that's its regular price. H-E-B app has a $1 off digital coupon, making it $2.47. Ibotta is giving back 50 cents on this item, making it $1.97 for the 4 sticks of butter. A super awesome moneymaker this week is the Cool Whip. So I had posted about this on my Instagram account. The coupons.com app has an offer for $2.50 back when you purchase an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. These are priced at $1. So I paid $1 and coupons.com gave me $2.50 back, making this $1.50 moneymaker. So that was a pretty awesome deal on that. The Sun-Maid pitted dates. These are really good in smoothies if you've never used dates before. And the fact that they're already pitted is pretty awesome. So these are priced at $3.58. There is a $1 off digital on the H-E-B app, making them $2.58. Fetch Rewards is giving back 75 cents on this item, and Ibotta is giving back $1, making this bag 83 cents. So it goes from $3.58 down to 83 cents. So a great deal on these. You can do a similar deal on raisins if you prefer raisins. This is a little bit better deal. And like I said, I like to use these in smoothies, or even if you make your own salad dressing, you can use pitted dates in your own salad dressing as well. Let me talk to you about the baby deals. Okay, so again, for me and my family, these are going to be donation items. We don't have a little one in the house. So these Gerber Harvest Bowls, these are priced at $1.94. H-E-B has a coupon for buy one, get one free, making it $1.94 for both of them. And Ibotta is giving back $1 on each, making these completely free and a 6-cent moneymaker. But on the Fetch Rewards app, there is an offer for $2 back when you buy the Gerber Harvest Bowl plus another Gerber product. So I grabbed this Gerber baby food for 98 cents. Fetch is supposed to give $2 back when I buy this and this together. However, when I scanned my receipt on Fetch Rewards, for some reason it didn't notice that I bought the two products together. Now, I will tell you that Fetch Rewards is super, super simple when a receipt doesn't go through. So you scan the receipt, it immediately will tell you which items you got credit for and what dollar amount it gave you. Now, if you don't see the offer that you thought you were supposed to get, there is a little pencil in the top right-hand corner, and I'm going to put it on the screen for you. You click on that, and it allows you to edit which item you think you should have gotten credit for, but you didn't. And so it's super, super simple. I click on it, and I say, this is the one that I was supposed to get credit for and didn't. And then it will ask you the quantity that you purchased. Sometimes it will ask you the dollar amount that it cost, and then I hit submit. Honestly, typically within 10 minutes, it's processed, but definitely within 24 hours, they have given me credit for what I've purchased. So I've been very pleased with the Fetch Rewards app on that, in that respect. So these guys, last week, there was a coupon for $3 off any neck product. I'm assuming that's how you say that. And I showed you that there were bottles for $3.97. So using that $3 coupon, you could get bottles for just 97 cents. That deal is still good this week, but this one was an even better deal. So first of all, that $3 digital coupon on any Nuck product, that's unlimited. So you can use that for 5 Nuck products in one purchase. It's going to take $3 off each time. I happen to see these at my store marked down to $2.12. So I grabbed 3 of them. I checked out and the $2.12 came off for all 3. Now there's not going to be overage. You're not going to get $3 off a $2.12 purchase, at least not at my store, but it does take the cost of the item down to 0. And again, this will be a donation item for us. All right, so that was the baby products. These here, another Fetch Rewards offer. So these Nor Selects products are priced at $1.88, but I had a Fetch Rewards offer for 100% in points back. So I bought 2 of these. I submitted my receipt, and again, for some reason, it didn't recognize it, but I just clicked that little pencil. I said, hey, this is what I bought. And this one, within like 10-15 minutes, it had given me credit for both of them, and it allowed me to do it 3 more times. So I was able to do this deal 5 times to get all 5 of these for free using the Fetch Rewards app. There is also an offer in my app right now for free, I think it's Levi, pads or liners. And those, I believe, are priced right around $5. The store that I went to didn't carry that product, which is why you don't see it here. But if your store does carry that product, check your Fetch Rewards app because you may be able to grab that item for free. Next, another Nor product. These are priced at 99 cents each. And there is an HEB coupon for when you buy 3, you're going to get 1 free. So you will get 4 of these for $2.97. And the Fetch Rewards app is giving back 75 cents when you buy 4 of them. So you will pay $2.22 for all 4, or just 55 cents each. All right, so I think I hit everything. I am going to include pictures of some of the clearance items that I found, but one thing I want to mention in particular, if you have an HEB Plus near you, check out the clothing section. There were so many clothing items marked down, and marked down to like $1 to $3 a piece. So let me show you a few items. These tops here, there were a ton of these tops. These were $1.75. So when I look at this, the original price was $15, marked down to $1. I said $1.75. It's $1.50. It was 90% off. So $1.50 for this guy. Another one that I saw was like these little workout tops here. So these were originally $10, and they were marked down to $2.50. So I thought that was a cute top. And then the last one, I found another light exercise top. This one was also $2.50, so a great deal on that. I did see some tank tops marked down to $1. I also saw shorts that were $2, as well as stretchy capri pants that were marked down to $2. So if you are looking for clothing for yourself, or you love to do generous donations at the holidays, that might be something you would want to look at. I will have a video coming out soon on Target and Whole Foods deals. So this is not a typical video for me, but I'm curious if you guys would be interested in seeing Target or Whole Foods deals. So I'm going to go ahead and post one and see what type of response I get. If y'all like those, I can work towards getting more of those types of videos out for you. If there's a store that you want to see me do a deal for, let me know down in the comments below, and I will do my best to accommodate your request. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much for watching.